Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arifa Safira from Yadikanata Senior High School. I would like to explain my argumentative text. The topic is the benefit of digital technology for the world of education. The introduction is explain how digital technology has changed education and why it is important for improving learner quality. The diplomat is first, digital technology expand access to learning resource, make learning more flexible through online platform. Third, it support personalized learning based on student learning styles. The conclusion is digital technology give many benefits for education, so teacher, student, and parents should use it wisely to improve learning quality. That's all. Thank you. See you. Bye.